Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. I just want to go ahead and do unboxing today. The reason why I'm doing that because I don't really buy aftermarket stuff like especially with DJI product. They're really limited, especially when you're buying like aftermarket batteries. You can't just buy aftermarket battery. The reason why you can't because it will break your drone. What I'm saying break your drone means that when you do a firmware update, it will break your drone, and basically like they'll know that their battery is not theirs. So experiencing that for years, I experienced that with the Phantom 3s. I actually bought one of those aftermarket batteries, and it was not a good successful because apparently the battery for Phantom 3 was like what I was almost like $100 something, and I got this knockoff version of a battery, I would say, or just aftermarket. How about that? And when I have an aftermarket battery, it was flying for a month, but once DJI have a new firmware update, it just changed everything. So from that point on, I just don't recommend it. I don't even want to touch it because these batteries are not cheap. When you're each battery costs like almost, it depends what kind of drone you have. So if you have like Inspire 1, Inspire 2, Mavic Air, Phantom 4, Phantom 3s, it builds up. I mean, even a Mavic, even a Spark battery is still kind of pricey. But today I want to go ahead and show you guys what I got. And I don't really buy aftermarket product like a charger or anything, most likely from any other manufacturer, because I have a DJI brand drones, and to me it's like, if you have DJI drones, must go ahead and get yourself a DJI product like the hub or the how you call this, the charger, the brick or anything like that. So you want something that is really good for your drone, and especially when you put a lot of investment on your drone, because like I said, some of these batteries are more than a car battery. Like for example, the Mavic 2 batteries, they're like $130 a piece. So $130 battery, that's like a car battery. That's like almost a factory battery. And that's like a 5 years, or 3 years warranty, depending on the, battery stuff that you have for your what you paid for the months that you would want for your warranty. But anyway, not about that. I got interested on the aftermarket because apparently I have my Spark. I'm sorry, I have my Telodrone, and having a Telodrone when I got it for the first time, did not come with the hub, or did not come with rechargeable battery that you can charge battery multiple times. So the only way I could do it is just charge here. And finally, this company is called Smatree. I don't know why they call it. They could have said Smart 3. They both said Smatree. I don't know. I'm trying to do that. But anyway, this company, when I got it, it actually did good. Especially charging my battery hub. The reason why I said that, because there's sometimes I'm in a field that I don't have, like for instance, I'm at the beach and I have no access to my I just don't have no access for my Telo to be charged. I don't want to go all the way to my car, to charge my Telo there. So I look around online, and I finally find this company that actually make a hub for a Telo. And next thing I notice, it's just so convenient because you can put 3 batteries and you can simultaneously charge all of them in one. And you see that? So it's charging all 3 batteries here. So for me it's great. And also the time that it's actually charging is like the same time that you're actually charging it in the wall or power brick, whatever you want to call it. But that's why I got interest of it. And then suddenly I said, man, I gotta have it also for my Mavic Air. It's just one of those things that I got to have. So, and I said to myself, while I have that, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, I still like this Mavic Air, and it's actually one of my to-go drone. The reason why I says that, because it has a Wi-Fi capability. Like, there's some times that I just want to use my phone and I just want to go ahead and put the battery on and don't have to worry about the controller, put the Wi-Fi and fly. And this thing, even though it flies, if you see my video, I have a video of this, it's still giving me a precision landing using just the phone. Okay, so just without no Wi-Fi, without no SIM card or LTE capability. You're talking about just a drone Wi-Fi and do a compass calibrating and still give me the right precision that I needed. So that's great for this. And that's the reason why I still have it around. And people ask me, oh, you already have a Mavic 2. There's really no point for you to have this. But I said, you know what, I still like it because I like the Spark, and I also like the first gen of a Mavic Pro. And to me, when they came out with this, it seems like they just shrink everything and put it all in one, and that's why I have this. And I also have a rear obstacle avoidance, and I also have a front obstacle avoidance. And not only that, I also have the bottom position sensing and also bottom obstacles. So to me, for the size, I don't really need the side obstacle avoidance, because this thing right here is enough that it can still detect the rear. I mean, I don't do it on the fast mode, but I just do it for slow, kind of like a slow mode. So, but anyway, I got this deal at Amazon. I will go ahead and put the link on, and they're selling this for like $100, but I got a deal because I got this after after Thanksgiving. So I actually ordered this around what, the 18th of December, and they finally got it to me. But the reason why I'm saying this, because this guy right here is gonna charge 3 of my Mavic Air batteries, and the same time as my Telo drone battery. And the reason why I'm just saying that, because it's just really simple. And I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys. And the places that I go is just like, I'm like almost remoted area. You're talking about like, it will take an hour to where my car is, or it's just convenience, you know. I don't have to go all the way to my car and charge my drone, that I can just be where I'm at and charge 3 of them, 3 batteries basically, and all in one. So I can just go do what I gotta do and come back and pull out multiple batteries and it's ready to go. To me, is for that price is still a lot, but when I think about it, I'd rather have this than having a hub. Like, see the DJI Mavic Air, they came up with the hub that you can actually put 4 batteries on it. But the bad thing about that I really hate is the fact that you can only charge, it's basically, it go by synchronization. It means that it will charge each one. Well, like for instance, when this one is done, and then this one's gonna go, and it just takes forever. So anyway, I just want something that is quick. If I'm at the beach, or if I'm at like in the rough condition, like I don't have my car, I can just put this in a backpack and it's ready to go. And so I got this, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, what it's all about, and go from here. Yeah, so you can get this for $89, and they were selling this for like $100 to $125, I think. But anyway, now they have special going on for Mavic Air, and now you guys can see, and it comes with 3 station for your battery. And I think you can charge 3 batteries, so 6 plus 2 more. So that's like maybe I don't think I got a sure. I think it's around, yeah. So you can actually charge 6 batteries and 2 more batteries until this one actually like go out, you know, about to die or something. But anyway, let's go ahead. What else it has in here? So you get this, and you get this instruction. So that means you might have to use your power brick. So if you have your Mavic Air, you might have to use that. And to me, I guess that's okay. For the Tello, it's here. For the Tello, you don't have that. You can just go ahead and use it here, and you can just pretty much just charge it, you know, and it'll just charge your whole battery in there. But you guys can see what this guy can do. And the cool thing about this that I really like the most, that got my interest, because it's just so convenient. So you just go ahead and clip it in there. I saw there's another company that actually make one of these, but the only thing I don't really like about it, because you still have to have a wire. You're still gonna have wire to plug each battery, and I don't like that, because, you know, to me, I have so many wires already. I wish everything just wireless. Wires free, you know. But this one, you just tip it here, and that's your outputs, and then this is your input right here. So if you have the Mavic Air brick, you can just, it's got that on there, and you can use your DJI brick and it'll charge it. I think it charges about what, 2 hours or 3 hours, and you get a full charge, and that's a good thing. And just for me, just convenience, you know, I can just go ahead and walk around like this if I had to, and just carry it like that without no problem, and without no control if I have to, you know. But the cool thing about it is also is the fact that you just, you know, once you go ahead and turn it on, and it will just go ahead and charge all this battery simultaneously, and that's the cool part. I think all my batteries are charged. Let me see. Give me just a second. Yeah, so all my batteries are charged. So charge my controller, and that will just go ahead and booting things up. See? And it will just charge everything that I need, and it will charge it. So you can see it's charging. But this battery that I have is already full, so we're just letting you guys know that. And I think to me is it's worth for the money. I mean, now you got this on sale, and it's good to have. I think, you know, you don't have to really worry about grabbing it, or if you need to, you can just go ahead and get what you need, and you're set to go. And that's what I got. So if I'm in the field, I can just go ahead, fly my drone, and with the air, and I'm not gonna have an issue with it. To be honest with you, some people complain about this because it's loud, but let me tell you something. To me, I like the way it is right now, because on extreme condition, this guy fly like butter. So I don't care what people say out there, but I've been experiencing this, and I had no issue. I've flown this like higher 40s, and this thing still manage to fly right. I think because of the small compact, and it's also the capability on this guy. Got a lot of power, got lots of torquey I would say that. And like I said, man, you know, you can get all this, and you're pretty much set in the field. So that's what I like. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and go from here.